Okay, your Keystone Palladian and Fireview stoves all have a combustor bypass, and that's this door here. So when the silver lever is pushed down, the door opens, bypassing the catalytic combustor. All the smoke is going up the chimney at that point. Now, as the gasket below the door gets compressed, you may find that the handle is loose to operate. So you may want to adjust the U-bolt here in the corner to put more tension on that door. So the U-bolt is connected to the bypass shaft with two lock nuts. So in order to put more tension on the door, you would want to extend the U-bolt down. So you'd need to loosen the top nut with a 1/2-inch wrench, and then basically you're going to manipulate the bottom nut to extend the U-bolt downward. That's going to put more tension on the bypass loop here and compress it into the gasket a little bit better. Once you make your adjustment, you want to make sure both nuts are tight to the shaft, and you should feel some resistance to get the door to its final closed position. You can check the tension on the door to the gasket by closing a slip of paper underneath the door. You should feel strong resistance when you try to pull that paper out. Make the adjustment as necessary to get a nice firm closure into that gasket below. Now on the Keystone and Palladian model, you would access your U-bolt either through the top plate or through the rear flue exit. Remove the cover plate from the rear flue exit, depending on which way your stove is vented. It's a little bit easier to see on the Fireview because you can open the top lid, but on the Keystone and the Palladian, the U-bolt assembly is in the same position.